Seafood Saturdays. We got a hankering for seafood in the middle of the afternoon, and I figured I would just go ahead and turn my camera on and take you along. I have my stock pot with about 2 cups of broth. You can use vegetable, chicken, seafood broth. This is a chicken broth that I have in here, 2 cups. And I'm gonna add in 3 cups of water. The reason why I add in broth is because of the flavors. Okay, I got this stock pot at Walmart. It wasn't the most expensive, but it's done a good job thus far. To that, I'm gonna add in 1 lemon. I have 1 medium Vidalia onion or yellow onion. And we're just gonna flavor our pot. Okay, so we're gonna add some garlic to our boil. So I'm using minced garlic, and I'm gonna go ahead and be conscious of my measuring for this video. I know a lot of people ask me, well, what about the measurement? So this is 1/3 cup of minced fresh garlic. I'm adding in about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar that I buy and love is the Bragg's with the mother. This stock pot gets boiling rapidly. So I smell the onions, the garlic, the lemon, and that broth. And I haven't even added in my seasonings yet. We are gonna keep it old school. I am gonna use the Zatarain's crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil. I'm gonna throw that right in. 1 Sazon tropical packet. I don't want to go in with too much because I don't want it salty. We don't want that because we are gonna do a sauce, and that's gonna have salted butter. Now, what's a boil without bay leaves? So let's add in 2 bay leaves. And now it's time for us to add a little bit more liquid. So again, we have 16 ounces of stock and 3 cups of water in here already. Now we're gonna add some more liquid, and we're gonna layer our flavors in. So next up is going to be some type of citrus beer. It's optional, but it really does cause the crab to pull away from the shell, and it leaves the shrimp really, really tender. So I'm gonna add 1 bottle. And this is the Bud Light Lime. All right, so we're layering the flavors. I had some bone broth in my refrigerator. This is a cup. And I'm just gonna finish the box, but because I wanna measure everything for you guys, I normally would just pour it right into the pot. So let's see what we have. So this is 1.5 cups that I'm adding in. I'm gonna get a spoon and give this a stir, and then we are going to continue to add our flavors. All right, let's go on with our dry ingredients. This is about 2 tablespoons of granulated garlic. We're gonna pour that right into the pot. This smells so good, guys. 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning. Again, I'm not gonna go too heavy because we do have the crab boil seasoning and the Sazon packet. And I'm also gonna be using the lemon pepper in the Shabang sauce. So let's just do 1 tablespoon for now. Okay, so again, I'm doing a very small boil tonight. So this is the amount of sausage I'm gonna use. Just add it right in. Okay, so for the sauce, we're starting off with 1 tablespoon. Again, this is half the recipe, so I'll link below the full recipe, but I'm doing half. So 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning, 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, 1 tablespoon of Walker & Sons Slap Your Mama's Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So we're gonna mix this all together. I'm going to melt my butter and add my cloves of garlic. The original recipe calls for 5 heads of garlic. So I'm gonna do it in half and I'm going to use 2. Okay, so the original recipe calls for 4 sticks of salted butter. We're doing half, so I'm gonna use 2.
Okay, so our butter is melting. I didn't use fresh garlic here. This is the brand of garlic that I usually get. I usually get the cloves that are in the jar by the same brand. So they had crushed garlic, so I'm going to use this tonight. I've melted down my 2 sticks of butter and I've added in this amount of garlic. I want to say that this may be about 3 tablespoons. But again, I did it by eye. But I would suggest that you go ahead and if it's your first time making the sauce, use fresh garlic. So you're gonna mix the butter and the garlic in together, let it simmer slowly, and then you're gonna add in your dry ingredients.
So I got the crab from Sam's. So this is their 2-pound bag of snow crab legs. Okay, so I'm not boiling really. I'm gonna steam and I'm gonna stir. So I'm gonna put the lid on and let them steam. I'm gonna stir them after about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna add in my shrimp.
Okay, so the garlic has softened and I'm gonna add in my dry ingredients.
We have a restaurant here in Orlando called Cajun Crab. So I try to fashion it after that flavor. I'm just gonna cook this low and slow because we're waiting for our boil. I've already taken the sausages out of the pot. I don't want them rubbery, but there's our sauce. And we're going to add 2 shakes of Louisiana hot sauce. Almost forgot. Okay, so what I like to do is just take the sauce in the bowl and just bathe the crab. And I also like to take a couple of spoons, not much, and add it into my garlic butter. So you really have that seafood taste. I'm gonna add a couple more spoons, not much. This That's optional, and really you just want to eyeball it. Okay, so I lightly seasoned up my shrimp, and I'm going to put it on top of the crab because shrimp gets very rubbery. These are still frozen, so I'm going to put the lid back on like I said and let it go until they're done. I'm going to add in my broccoli. That I do want to go ahead and get down into the water. I can soak up all that flavor. And I'll put the lid on.
Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. And hit that bell on the way out to make sure that you are up to date on all of our latest videos. See you soon.